students, welcome to Vidya Myriad. This video is made for class 9 on chapter number 14 statistics, and today we have reached to last exercise, that is 14.4 from Ncert. Now before we begin with the exercise, there are three things which you need to know: mean, median and mode. Now what is basically mean? Mean is basically we will find out by adding all the values of the observations and dividing it by the total number of observations. Generally we represent mean by writing x and there is a bar on it, we call it as x bar. So that is mean. So now if we look at this question, let's do it with the help of the question. Now the following number of goals were scored by a team in a series of 10 matches. Scores are given to us. We need to find out mean, median and mode of these scores. Now what is mean? Sum of all the observations. So add them all together divided by total number of observations. We are told that there are 10 matches, so divided by 10. It comes out to be 28 upon 10, which is equal to 2.8. Next is median. Now what is median? Median is actually the middlemost observation, and for calculating the median we need to arrange our data in the ascending order. Now in this also I would like to inform here also that there are two ways of doing a question, or two ways, when your number is even and when your number is odd. In case you have odd number, okay, then the formula for calculating the median is n plus 1 upon 2 observation. That is, if suppose odd number is 9, so 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 upon 2 is 5. So fifth observation will become the median. Now in case when your number is even, now like here we have 10 observations, 10 means 10 is an even number. So for calculating that median, first we need to find out n upon 2 and n upon 2 plus 1 observation. So what is n here? 10. So 10 upon 2 plus 10 upon 2 plus 1 observation, which means 5th and 6th. Then we will again divide it by 2. 5th observation plus 6th observation. Now according to the arranged data, that is in the ascending order, your 5th and 6th observation both are 3. 3 plus 3 is 6 and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So my median is 3 here. So please remember, whenever you are calculating the median, first see that whether the total number given to you is even or odd. In the case of even, you have to do it by this method, that is n upon 2 first find out, then n upon 2 plus 1 observation find out, and again divided by 2, then it comes the middle term. Now suppose when your observation is odd, now suppose my observation is 11 for example. So 11, what will I do? 11 plus 1 upon 2. 11 plus 1 is 12 upon 2. That will become the 6th observation. So like this you need to remember, mean is sum of all the observation upon total number of observation. Median is based on whether even number or odd number. And next comes the mode. Mode is the maximum or the most frequently occurring observation. Here also we will arrange our data in the ascending order, and we will see that which number is repeating maximum number of times, that will be my mode. In this data we see that 3 is occurring several number of times, that is 4 times. So our mode is 3. So whole exercise is based on your mean, median and mode. I have explained you all the formulas. Now let us do the other questions quickly. Now here question number 2, in a mathematics test given to 15 students, the following marks out of 100 are recorded. So these are the marks given. So how are we going to calculate mean? Mean is the total number, sum of all the observation upon total number of observation. When we add all the marks, it came at 822 divided by total number of students, that is 15. So mean comes out to be 54.8. Now here median is, what is median? Now first of all we will arrange our data in the ascending order. So properly we have arranged. Now what is 15? 15 is an odd number. So how I am going to calculate my median? So for odd, my observation is 15 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 16th observation. 16, that becomes 8th observation. Now from the data provided which you have arranged in the ascending order, just count the 8th number, it comes out to be 52. So your 8th observation is 52, so 52 is my median. Third is mode. For mode also I need to arrange my data in ascending order, and we need to see which number is repeating maximum number of times. Here 52 is the one which is repeating 3 times, so my mode is 52. Question number 3. The following observations have been arranged in ascending order. If the median of the data is 63, find the value of x. Now in this question we are already provided with the median 63 and number of observations given to us is 10. So what happens is over here is, now what is the formula for median? N upon 2 plus N upon 2 plus 1 observation, because here our median is even. So in that case median given to us is 63, which is equal to 10 upon 2 plus 10 upon 2 plus 1 observation, which is 5th and 6th observation divided by 2. What is my 5th observation? X. What is my 6th observation? X plus 2. So I will rewrite it as 63 is equal to x plus 2 divided by 2, which is equal to 63 is equal to 2x up plus 2 upon 2. When you solve this, your answer x comes out to be 62. Question number 4. Find the mode of the following data. So what is the first step? Arrange the number in the ascending order. And then second step is find which number is repeating maximum number of time. Now in this information 14 is appearing maximum number of time, that is 4 times. So my mode is 14. Question number 5. Find the mean salary of 60 workers of a factory from the following table. Now here the table you are given to you salary and you are given the number of workers. Now we need to find out their mean salary. Mean means I need to multiply the salary with the workers, the total will come and that total will become the mean salary. Now here let us represent my salary as xi and my workers as fi. After in the third column I need to do fi and xi or xi into fi. That means both salary and number of workers I need to multiply. When I multiply, after that when I want to find out my mean salary, it will be the fi xi divided by fi. That means my answer comes to rupees 5083.33. Please remember the formula. Mean for fi xi will become mean salary is equal to fi xi divided by fi. Okay, so that means 305,000 divided by 60. You will get your mean salary as rupees 5083.33. Question number 6. Give one example of a situation in which the mean is an appropriate measure of central tendency. Now what happens is, in the case of mean, when we have to find out, there should not be extreme values or far away values. That means they should be close to one another. For example, number 1 I have taken over here, marks of 10 students. See, if you see 81, some are in 80, some are in 90, some are in 70. So all are closely related, not very far away. So I can easily find out mean by adding them all together and dividing by 10. My mean comes out to be 85. So as per this information, we come to know that when your data is close to each other, in that case mean is an appropriate measure of central tendency. But what happens if you have the data which are extreme ends? For example, if you see mark of 5 students, 81, 42, 28, 12, 99. 12 and 99, they are extreme. No, they are not at all close to each other. So in this case, mean is not an appropriate measure of central tendency. Rather, median is an appropriate measure of central tendency. With this we finish. the chapter as well as the exercise 14.4. I hope you must have understood what is mean, median and mode, what are their formulas. Please arrange your data systematically in the ascending orders properly and you will be able to find your answers. Only difficulty will be in the case of median. But remember, when your number is odd and when your number is even, there are two different ways to find out the median. Don't get confused. Do lots of practice. And with this, we finish here. Very soon I am going to come with the next video. Till then, see you. Goodbye. Take care.